Hello, everyone. Welcome to RigER webinars. And today we're starting our fall session, so new season. Welcome back, and let's move forward. Nikolai?
And we'll talk about what actually Telegram chatbots are. We'll discuss the scenarios. We'll discuss how we implement it as part of our solution at RigER. We'll discuss also what will come down the pipe using the chatbot, and we'll gladly take some of the questions from you. So without further ado, let's just keep going and start with the introduction of the Telegram chatbots and what they are. So go ahead, Michael.
Yeah, the Telegram is a messaging app. We focus on speed and security, and it's a super fast, simple, and free. And you can use Telegram on all devices at the same time. It could be Android devices, Apple devices, and laptop and computer. So you can see Telegram on all your devices at the same time. Your message is synchronized simultaneously and across the number of phones, tablets, and computers. Telegram has over 500 million monthly active users, and it's become a #1 most popular download app in the world. So the Telegram is a platform which we use to connect RigER and make a chatbot. So the chatbot is an automatic conversation partner of RigER of Telegram, and it's facilitating conversation between a person and a computer. And based on the thing you say on the questions you ask, the chatbot will automatically give you an answer back to you. And we created a chatbot for Telegram to utilize it for several scenarios, which our clients ask us to do. So, and it's very simple to set up the Telegram chatbot. So first one, you need to download and install Telegram on your device, desktop, laptop, mobile device. Then you need to set up a chatbot in your database, so connect a particular database to a particular chatbot, and then authorize chatbot users and get some results from that usage. Let's consider several scenarios which we have several usage scenarios and some requests from the clients which we got last couple months. So client need a fast access to critical data on the mobile devices without logging to RigER database. Literally use the data anytime, anywhere. And the reporting could be run very smoothly out of the computer. However, when you do not have an access to the computer, it's become an issue. So, and we can consider several ways how you can run reports in RigER. The first scenario, when you run reports on the thin client, or mobile thin client, or computer thin client, definitely you can customize the report. It's on demand. It's very robust. However, sometimes it could be an issue because you need to enter to the system. Another option, you can run email reporting and schedule email reporting, use external and internal users. But again, those scheduled reports should be run on a particular schedule. So you can set up the day, time, and type of the report and a list of recipients. Another option, mobile application, when you authorize the user, they enter the mobile app and have all the reports in the mobile app running on the device. However, this due to synchronization, this option is limited. So that is why we decided to add a messenger, which in this case, Telegram, when you can run on demand, very fast reports, limited and authorized users can do that. However, it could be internal and external users as well. So let me show you an example of our chatbot and the way how it works. So this is a real-time scenario, just a recording from the screen when the person authorized and ask for the reports, and you see 4 different reports the person can run. You select the report, and the report is generated in the system, and a PDF file attached and ready for your disposal right at your screen. It's very fast and easy way how generate reports. If you compare time per report in RigER thin client without logging, definitely it's faster. However, the Telegram on your device could be number of seconds. And definitely, if you'd need to log into the system and find that report in the system and running it takes time. So just logging could be from 40 to 60 seconds, depending on the network and connectivity. So this is a great example of one of the scenarios which we consider would be very popular, and we had a great feedback from our clients who starting using it, and they really love this function because it just provide them particular data when they need it. So next question, next request, next scenario when we are using a chatbot is the approval of the documents. And here's another request from the client. They need the fast review and approve PO on mobile devices without logging to the RigER database. It's a common scenario. It's a usual thing when you receive an email showing you that a new PO need your request, and you need to approve it. But to do that, you need to go to the thin client, open the thin client, or in mobile phone, you need to synchronize, find this PO and approve it. In the messenger, it just happen in seconds. So I will show you another example. When you receive a notification about PO approval, clicking on the notification, you just literally jump to the Telegram, and approval is just a one click of the button. It's very simple. Sometimes it's less than a couple seconds, and definitely it gives you a huge boost of and streamline your approval process. So right now we have the following use cases: the allocation report for salesperson and managers, internal allocation report, which will show you a list of all locations and all the units at those locations. Location is report for the particular client, and in this case, you authorize your external contact. They can use it and run the report based on locations where they authorized. Location activity log report for salesperson and managers, rental unit status reports for sales and managers, so they can review this information anytime at their devices. And we have the following approval, following documents approval: purchase orders, expense claims, vacation request, and job approval by managers. So it's very fast and easiest way how to run this. In the future, we are going to add more reports based on the client requirements and based on the what we see as useful scenarios. We'd like to add other documents approval, example, fuel tickets approval, rental tickets approval, maintenance cards approval, etc. And other scenarios, for example, equipment release, when the user can review what we have at the location and create the documents from the Telegram. Right now, we study those scenarios, trying to understand what will be the best use cases for with several clients, and as soon as it will be ready, we will add this to the chatbot. This is exactly a simple and convenient way how we connect RigER and Telegram. We create a specific add-on, RigER add-on, Telegram chatbot, which can be connected to your database setup included, unlimited users and reports. This will cost $100 per month per database. Customization extra and standard setup, it's around 1 day. So it's very simple, very fast and straightforward tool which streamline your operations. So thank you so much, and we will talk to you next week about other different features of RigER.